Hello, my name is Danielle Ivins-Fishman. I'll be the facilitator for the Teen Female Empowerment Workshop being offered at AirMid Wellness and Counseling Center. We are so excited to be offering this program and to support, inspire, and empower young women as they go through the challenges of their teens and into young womanhood. In this workshop, we'll be talking about the big teen issues: self-esteem, social media, body image, confidence, peer pressure, relationships, and so much more. We're looking for girls between the ages of 13 and 18, and we'll have two separate groups. We'll have a high school group and a middle school group. We're also going to keep the classes capped at 10. This ensures that it's a safe and attentive environment for everyone. Please feel free to join our free preview class that's coming up. All of the information is on the website. Please contact us with any questions, and I just want to let you know from the bottom of my heart, I'm feeling so excited and grateful to be on this journey with your daughter and to be facilitating these amazing programs. Please join us.